Today I will show you how to create a letter portrait effect in Photoshop. Create your workspace with this canvas size. Go to the text tool and write your text. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust. Drag your image to Photoshop and remove the background. Just click on Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask and then convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to make a duplicate and hide it. Choose the first image layer and create a clipping mask. Unhide the second image layer and create a layer mask. Press Ctrl I to invert. Then go to your brush and make sure it is a soft round brush. Change the foreground color to white and brush neatly. Choose the text layer and follow the process.